Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to check or remove your connected apps on Facebook. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. From here, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see Apps and Websites. And from here, you can already see all the connected apps you have on Facebook. And if you want to remove them, you just need to click on a specific app and then click on Remove. But if you want to remove all of them, you just need to scroll down and then click on Apps, Website, and Games and turn it off. And that's it. That's how you check and remove your connected apps on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!